Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. Today we are going to see about what is Python and what are all the advantages of Python and what are all the features of Python. First of all, what is Python? It is a computer programming language often used to build websites and software and also used for automated automation tasks and to analyze the data. This is what the Python. I'm repeating that. Python is a computer programming language. Often it is used to build websites and software, automated tasks, and to analyze the data. And the main reason why others are going with Python, apart from other languages, Python is a simple language which is very easy to learn, and it is a free and open source. And the very important thing in Python is it is a high-level interpreted language. Then what is interpreted and high level? Interpreted is nothing but there is no need for compilation of the program. We can directly run that program without debugging that. For example, in other languages, we have to compile the code and we have to find the bug and have to debug that. After that, we can able to run that code. But in Python, it is an interpreted language. There is no need for compilation. We can directly run the code. It will show the errors in the runtime itself. This is what the main advantages in Python. And the next thing is high level. What is high level? High level means it will support any platforms like Linux, Unix, Windows, etc. There is no specific platform independent in Python. It will support all of the OS, which is Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Unix, etc. So it is called as high level interpreted language. This is what the basic features and what is Python. And the next thing is introduction. That the Python was found by Guido van Rossum in the year of 1991. The current version of Python is 3.12. So it was found by Guido van Rossum in the year of 1991. And the file name extensions we are having in Python is .py, .pyw, .pyz, and .pyi. Just I'm sharing my screen. And we'll add those extensions here. And it will be good to know. So I'm just using online Python compiler. This is one of the free source to run the Python code. And here we can definitions too. We can write whatever definitions we want. Here I'm writing the important point in Python. Python is a computer programming language which is high level interpreted language. You can go with this online Python compiler, or else we can go with the Notepad++ or Notepad anything to get the notes. High level interpreted language. Then what is interpreted? It is nothing but there is no need for compilation. We can directly run the code without debugging that. Python will show the errors during the runtime itself. So this is what the basic of Python and what is high level. Python will support all of the platforms like Mac OS, Windows, Linux, and Linux, etc. the advantages of Python. What is the advantages of Python? It is very simple to learn. It is simple and easy to learn the code as well as the syntax. Okay, it is very easy to learn the code as well as the syntax. What is syntax? Syntax is nothing but it is a set of rules that we have in every languages. Syntax is a set of rules which we need to follow while writing the program, which we need to follow while writing the program. So we are having set of rules in Python too, and we have to follow that steps while writing the program to avoid the errors. And this is what the basic, very basic definitions of Python. And we can implement Python to develop websites, softwares, automation, and to analyze the data. And the next thing is extensions. Extensions means how to save a Python file. So we can save it in py format, .pyz format, .pyc format. And these three are all the basic things which we can save the Python code. Apart from that, there is another two things, that is .pyd and .pyz. And these are all the basic things and basic advantages and features of Python which we are currently using. And the current version of Python is current version of Python is 3.12 founder. Python was introduced in the year of 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Yeah, this is what the basics of Python and what is Python and how we are using the extensions and what is syntax and who is the founder of Python.